Hi, my name's Rachel, and today I'm going to show you how to properly use a gram scale. It may seem simple, but if you're using a scale to measure metabolic formula or foods containing protein for a child with a metabolic disorder like PKU or MSUD, proper use is very important. So here are some helpful tips. Most scales have three functions: the on button, the units button, and the tare or zero button. First, make sure your scale is clean. You'll need the formula or food you're measuring and a container to measure it in. Go ahead and turn on your scale. Check the units on the screen. Typically, you'll want the units to be grams for formula, but you may use the pounds and ounces for some food items. Continue to press the unit button until the display shows the units you need. Place your container on the scale. This can be a shaker bottle, a bowl, or whatever you have handy. Just make sure it doesn't cover up the display. Once your container is on the scale, hit the tare button. This button will set the scale to 0 again, so you don't have to account for the weight of the container. Now you can easily measure out the grams of powder or food you need. Most scales turn off automatically after a minute or so be sure to have the formula or food handy to start measuring right away. For formula, add the powder slowly until you hit the exact number of grams you need. For example, let's say I'm making a bottle of early years infant formula, and my instructions from my metabolic dietitian say to use 15 grams. Let's add the powder slowly to reach 15 grams exactly. Once you have your powder weighed, you're ready to mix. Check out our video on how to finish preparing an early years bottle. Thanks for watching. You can find more videos like this on our website, nutritionmetabolics.com, and our YouTube channel.